Hello, today we'll study the topic geometric progression. It is chapter 9 of class 11. ठीक है सर. So তাৰ আগত আমি arithmetic progression study কৰা হৈ গৈছিল already. So definition চাব গ'লে তোমাৰ a sequence কি হয় তোমাক explain কৰা হৈছিলে a1 a2 a3 goes to a. This is an infinite sequence. Why? Till where it goes we don't know. So first term is your a1, second term a2, third term a3, 4. nth term is your an and it goes on. It is an infinite sequence. Okay, sir? This type of sequence is called an GP, geometric progression. If each term is non-zero, that means every term must be non-zero. It cannot be zero. And ak plus 1 divided by ak equal to r. That means the ratio between the second term, ratio of the second term and first term is same as the ratio between the second term and first term is same as ratio between the third term and second term, ratio between the nth term and n minus 1 term, nth term and its previous term, n minus 1th term. Yes, sir? So here if we take the a as the first, a1, if we take a as the first term, then the a2 is our second term. Then as we know that second term divided by first term is the common ratio r, where r we are considering as the common ratio. Then a2 equal to a1 into r. ठीक है सर? So a2 equal to a1, in place of a1 what we are taking a, so ar. Next we have a3 by a2. That means third term divided by second term will be the same common ratio r. Then a3 equal to a2r. a3 equal to tomar ki hobo etia a2 place at ami ki paisu ar into r, ar square. It goes on a4 thakibo tar pisot a5 thakibo, thik ase a6 thakibo, tar nth theta le ki hobo so a2 amar ki hoise 2 minus 1. ar can be written as a 2 minus 1 r. a3 amar ki hoise ar square can be written as ar 3 minus 1. ঠিক আছে? So amar nth term ki hoise ar n minus 1th. hobo totally amar general term, this nth term is called as your general term. Ar n minus 1. hobo where a is your first term and r is your common ratio. Itia if the GP is finite, that means the term there are countable number of terms. Finite means we can count the number of terms, but yet infinite ase, so it is uncountable. If the GP is finite with n terms, we are considering there are n terms, then the last term is last term L bully. So n terms, amar terms keta ase n ta ase, we have n terms, so the nth term will be an. ठीक है, is L equal to ami last term L hoiso, last term is what an, but it will be ar n minus 1. So when the GP is finite with n terms, then our last term will be nth term ar n minus 1. When the GP is finite with n terms ta ase, n ta terms ase, that man last term nth term to tomar last term hoy, so tomar an equal to ar minus 1, which is your last term, where a is the common first term and r is the what common ratio. ঠিক আছে, এতিয়া আমি কি কৈছো corresponding for this GP we are considering the corresponding series. আমি finite GP loisu, finite GP with for how many terms? n terms. We are taking the finite GP with n terms. So this is the series a plus ar square plus ar cube. Series thakile tomar yat plus hoy jabo, goes to what ar n minus 1. This is our finite GP with how many terms? n terms. Finite GP with n terms. This is our finite GP with n terms. a1 plus a2 plus, that means this is what a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus goes on to what an. Okay, this is a GP series. tomorrow hobo kenoko a1 mane ami a loisu first term, a2 ami ki paislu ar paislu, A3 আমি AR square, A4 হব AR cube, ঠিক আছে, goes on to what, AN তোমাৰ হব ARN minus 1. Now we have to find the sum, ঠিক আছে, we have to find the sum. What will the sum? We are denoting the sum as Sn. We are denoting the sum as Sn. Sn. This is the sum of a GP series with n number of terms. Sn is the sum of a GP series with n terms. With how many terms? N terms. First n terms. A plus AR plus AR square plus AR cube plus goes on with ARn. So this is the formula for sum of n terms of a GP series. Sum of n terms of a GP series. ঠিক আছে, এটা case 1 লে আহা. Case 1, if R is equal to 1, R means what? Common ratio. If our common ratio is equal to 1, then what is our Sn? Yet A, first term A thikile, A R 1 hoy tomar, 1 hoy karone A into 1A plus AR square A plus A go pele tomar kiban keta terms ase tomar, yat tomar n ta terms ase, so tomar n terms, so Sn equal to n into A. Next tomar second case ma, if R is not equal to 2, if R is not equal to 1. When R is not equal to 1, what we will do? Take this as equation number. Okay, this case we will do it as a, okay, we know what is our Sn. Sn is the sum of the GP series, sum of our GP series, you can say sum of our GP series, sum of a GP series with first term A up to n terms. Sn is the sum of a GP series. Sn is the sum of a GP series up to n terms. Up to how many terms? Up to n terms. ঠিক আছে, so how we write Sn? Sn equal to A plus first term, second term AR square, third term AR cube, fourth term AR 4. Sorry, this is our 1 2 3 goes on, first term, second term, third term, fourth term. So what will be the nth term? Nth term will be ARn minus 1. ঠিক আছে, second term আমার কি আছে? R to the power 1. third term আমার আছে R square, fourth term আমার আছে R cube. এটা decrease হৈছে, so তোমাৰ nth term কি হ'ব? This is our nth term. Nth term because আমি n terms লগাই লৈছো, ARn minus 1 হ'ব. ঠিক আছে, এতিয়া আমি multiply both side of this with RSN. Left hand side R multiply কৰিলো, তো right hand side multiply কৰিব লাগিব. তো first term আমাৰ কি হ'বগে? AR, second term আমাৰ হ'বগে AR square, both side multiplying by R. Third term আমাৰ হ'ব AR cube, AR 4 goes on to what? ARN. ঠিক আছে, now what we do? We subtract. Take this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. We subtract 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 korle ami ki pam? Left hand side R of Sn minus Sn, R of Sn minus Sn, and all the terms will get cancelled. AR square cancel over, AR cube minus AR cube, AR 4, all these all previous term to tomorrow cancel over. Thakiboge ki will be left out with ARN minus A. Yes, 2 minus 1 korisu, so tomar Sn hobo R minus 1 ARN minus 1. So tomar Sn will be Rn minus 1 divided by R minus 1. ঠিক আছে, if we do 2 minus 1, or if we do, so this is our formula, sum of a GP series, GP series with how many terms? N terms, first term A and common ratio R, where R is not equal to 1 and R is greater than 1. This is the sum of a GP series where your common ratio R is not equal to 1 and R is greater than 1. Now if we do 1 minus 2, then what will be our formula? Then by calculation koi saba tomaloke ki pabage Sn equal to A 1 minus R to the power n divided by 1 minus R, where this is R is not equal to 1 and R is less than 1. This is the formula of the GP series. ठीक है, sum of the GP series up to n terms, sound as GP series up to n terms, where A is your first term and R is your common ratio and n is the number of terms. That is Sn is the sum of the GP series up to n terms, sound as GP series up to n terms with common ratio R and the first term A. Clear? Okay, let us discuss this GP series through an example. Take a series, say 2 is your first term, 4 is your second term, 8 is your third term, 16 is your 1 2 3 4, 32 is your this. Okay, now this is an infinite GP series. Why it is infinite? Because we don't know what is our last term. So this is infinite GP series. Now what is the first term here? The first term of this GP series is 2. What is the common ratio? How we need to find a common ratio? Before in AP series, before in arithmetic progression, we use how we find a common difference by A2 minus A1 by subtracting second term and the first term. Now we are finding common ratio. So what we'll do? Divide A2 by A1. A2 by A1 means 4 by 2. That is more likely. So we have second term divided by first term. So what we have got, our common ratio is 2. So for this GP series, our first term is A and our common ratio is 2. ठीक है sir? Now if we are given a finite GP series, this is our infinite because till how many terms it goes we don't know. Say we are considering a finite GP series 2 4 8 goes on. Wait, let me calculate. Okay, say we have this GP series and say we have a finite GP series with last term as 512. So this is a finite GP series. So in the question we are asked to find how many terms. This is a finite GP, but we don't know because since we don't know the middle terms. What are the middle terms? We don't know how many terms are there in this GP series. So say we are asked to find number of terms. Number of terms is noted by small n. Say we are asked to find number of terms. We are asked to find the common ratio. ठीक है sir? We are asked to find the common ratio. So last term is given. Last term is what? 512. So before finding, we must find our common ratio. What will be our common ratio? Given first term is A2, first term is 2. So what is our common ratio? 4 by 2 for second term divided by first term, second term divided by first term. 4 by 2 is 2, that is common ratio is 2, and our first term is also 2. Now we have got a formula to find the last term. Okay, what is the formula for finding the last term? We denote the last term by L. It was a value is what, 512. So what was the formula? Formula is AR to the power n minus 1. AR. This is the formula for finding the last term. That is to find the number of terms. Okay, so 512. Our last term value is given 512. Now A, what is the value of A? 2. R. And what is the value of R? 2 to the power n minus 1. 512. Okay, wait a minute. So we have got what? A value is what? 2. R value is also 2. Then we will go substitute in the values of A and R. 2 into 2 to the power n minus 1 equal to 512. So next step, what we will do? Next step I am doing in this page. So next step will be with 2, 1. Here our 2 bases are same. Bases are what? Same. 2. So power will be added. 2n minus 1. Clear? Bases are same, so power is added. This is the formula for last term, AR n minus 1. And last term value is given on 512. So in the formula we have put AR n minus 1 and value 512. Next tomorrow yet power eke ase. So add koriba 512. So 2 to the power n, 2 to the power n equal to 512. So now we have to break 512 in powers of 2 because our here we have 2. So I think so 2 to the power n equal to 2 to the power most probably 2 to the power 9, most probably 2 to the power 9. So yet our bases are same, so n equal to 2, n equal to 9, sorry, n equal to 9. So 9 terms we have got. That means for this GP series, for this finite GP series, how many terms we have? You have 9 terms. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, it will goes on. So keta terms thakibo tomar 9 terms thakibo. ঠিক আছে? এতিয়া আমি finite GP কথা পঢ়িলো, finite GP কথা study কৰিলো. So for a finite GP we can find the sum of the GP series, isn't it? Since this is finite, we can find its sum. Infinite we cannot find sum because we can find sum, but in class 12 we do not study about infinite GP. For finite GP we can find a sum of this GP series. So how we take Sn? Sn is equal to, what was our formula? See, we have two formula here. A r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 and A into 1 minus r to the power n 1 minus r. Okay, sir. So when r is greater than 1, we use this formula. Okay, sir. When r is greater than 1, we use this formula, and when r is less than 1, we use this formula. So which formula we will use? So here, okay, first write, since r equal to 2 is greater than 1, therefore we take what? Sn equal to we'll use this first formula, A Rn minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Clear? Now in place of Sn we can write S9 and S9 because we have 9 terms. Yes, A what we have got 2, then 2r also we have got 2, and n we have got 9 minus 1. Next 2 minus 1 Sn 2 to the power 9 is our 512 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 512 means 511. So the sum of the GP series will be 511 into 2. So 222, 22, 1022. This is the sum of the GP series. That means if we add these terms, add the term of the GP series, 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16 plus goes on to what? 512. If we add these terms, we will get what? 1022. But by usual calculation, it is a bit lengthy process to it. So by using the formula of a GP series, as this series is what, this series is GP series, because their common ratio is same, 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2, 8 divided by 2 is 2. So using the formula of sum of the GP series, we will find it 1022. Clear? So now let's do exercise 9.3. Exercise 9.3, question number 2. Find the 12th term. What we are saying, find the 12th term, find the 12th term of a GP whose 8th term is 192, whose 8th term is 192, and the common ratio is 2. So we have to find the 12th term of the GP whose 8th term is given 192 and the common ratio is 2. So we do not know solution, we do not know the first term of the GP. Common ratio dia ase ama r equal to 2, but amak first term ki hoy dia na. So ami dhori loisu, let a be the first term. Let a be the first term, ami dhori loisu. Let a be the first term of the GP. ঠিক আছে? এতিয়া let a be the first term of the GP given r equal to 2. Given r equal to 2. Now next 8th term tomar kiman dia ase? 8th term is r equal to 2 dia ase, aru 8th term tomar kiman dia ase? A8. 8th term is given A8, 192. So we know general formula. General term amar ki ase? General term ami poislo an equal to a into r n minus 1. This is the formula of general term. ঠিক আছে, ইয়াত তোমাৰ a8 টাৰ্ম কৈছে, তো a8 equal to 192. So a8 আমাৰ কি হ'ব? a into r 8 minus 1, 192. ঠিক আছে, ar 7 to the power 7, 192. Next a equal to 192 divided by r to the power 7. r মানে তোমাৰ কি হয়? 2 to the power 7. So 192 divided by tomar 2 to the power 7, I think so tomar 64 128 hobo lage most probably. Let me check it. $128. ठीक है. Now what we'll do, we'll cancel it. 192 cancel কৰিলে তোমাৰ হ'ব 2 cancel কৰা তোমাৰ 4 4 8 to the 16, 9 to the 18, 9 to 18, 94. তাৰপিছত তোমাৰ ইয়াত 64, 94 by 64 আকৌ cancel হ'ব তোমাৰ 2 4 to the 8, 7 আৰু তোমাৰ 3. তোমাৰ a আহিব 87 by 32. So calculating, we will get here a equal to 3 by 2. So what we have got? A equal to 3 by 2. So next tomar a 3 by 2 pala, that is a equal to 3 by 2 pai gola. R tomar ase already 2. So find out koibo koise ki 12th term. Therefore 12th term a12. Formula ki hobo? General formula a r n minus 1 ase, yat 12 ase tomar 12 minus 1. So a r to the power 11. A pala 3 by 2 into r tomar hobo 2 into to the power 11. So 2 and this will get cancelled. 3 into to the power 10. This is your 12th term, value of 12th term. Clear? It tomorrow calculate kori diba. Now check question number 3. Yet it is the 5th, 8th and 11th terms of a GPR. The 5th, 8th, 11th terms of a GP of a geometric progression are P, Q and S, P, Q and S respectively, show that Q square equal to PS. ঠিক আছে, so আমাৰ এই GP টোত আমাৰ P Q P fifth term, 8th term and 11th terms কথা কৈছে, but আমাক ফাৰ্ষ্ট টাৰ্ম কি হয় কোৱা নাই, কমন ৰেচিঅ' কি হয় কোৱা নাই। চ' আমি ধৰি লৈছোঁ লেট স্মল a and small r be the first term and common ratio of the GP ঠিক আছে। দেন একৰ given তোমাৰ কি কৈছে fifth term a5 equal to what p, fifth term তোমাৰ p দিয়া হৈছে। so fifth term আমি কেনেকৈ ফাইণ্ড আউট কৰোঁ, a r 5 minus 1 is what 4 ঠিক আছে। so a r to the power 4 what we have got p, take it as equation number 1। also তোমাৰ 8th term কি দিয়া আছে, a8 তোমাক দিয়া আছে কি দিয়া আছে q, 8 terms of a GP are q, so তোমাৰ হ'বগে কি 8 term, so তোমাৰ a is your first term, আৰু common ratio কি r 8 minus 1 7 equal to q, take it as equation number 2। and তোমাৰ 11th term a11 তোমাৰ কি দিয়া আছে s, so তোমাৰ হ'বগে a r 11 minus 1 a r to the power 11 minus 1 10 equal to s, equation number 3। now what you have to find, you have to show that q square equal to ps। so আমাৰ ইয়াত যি দেখাব কৈছে তুমি তাৰ পৰা অকমান দেখা পাবা q square means what, this q square এটা কাম কৰা left hand side লৈ লওঁ, show that কৈছে, that means you have to show left hand side equal to right hand side। now take left hand side q square ঠিক আছে, q মানে কি আছিলে a r to the power 7, a r to the power 7 whole square কৰিলে তোমাৰ কি হ'ব, a square হ'ব r 7 into 10 7 into 2 14 হয় ঠিক আছে। এতিয়া আমি p আৰু s সেপাৰেট কৰি দিম, a square এনেকৈ লিখা a square and 14 you write 10 plus 4 ঠিক আছে। so ইয়াত কি কৰা a লিখা এনেকৈ into a আৰু r to the power 10 into r to the power 4, so now what will do a r 4 লিখিছোঁ আৰু a r to the power 10 লিখিছোঁ, a r to the power 4 মানে কি হয় p আৰু a r to the 10 মানে s, therefore q square equal to ps, proved or showed, clear।